Discuss page number 234 lesson 234 page background of the Nepal. In 1959, the first elections were held in Nepal under the new constitution issued by the King Mahendra. On the time, King Mahendra is there. However, with a year, the elected government was overturned as a substantial power reverted back to the king. Again, the powers rest with the king because of the parliament was failures. These continued people struggle in the democratic representative government. Finally, lead to election 1991. Until then, it is nearly almost more than 40 years under control of the king. These elections in the Congress of Party of Nepal came to the power with a huge majority. The Communist Party was also, however, not satisfied with this system of the government, in which the monarchy still had dominant stake. These wanted to completely overhaul of the political system is an abolish of the monarchy systems. The movement was transferred still it into an armed conflict between the pro and anti-democratic groups. Like this, a civil war it is also occurred. Almost civil war systems we can observe in Nepal. This struggle is culminated in 2007 and finally abolished the monarchy system. Okay. Now regarding the debates. The constitution of any country provides certain basic structures of the principles according to which the state would have functional features, nation would have to build it. The constitution has a double purpose. First one is outlining the role and rights of the citizens and structure of the powers to the government it organs like judiciary, legislative, executive. Three are major part organs in democratic systems. Second one, indicate the nature of the factor societies, the future societies, which has to be built to measure the joint effect of the state and the societies. The constitution this is an essential map of the framework of the future, highlighting how the current situation lead to the modified or move to forward this one. In Nepal, the process of making the constitution began to 2017 up to it is going on completion of the 2014. Nearly 7 years they are going on to preparation of the constitution. This was largely because the different political trends in Nepal could not common and as agreement on the basic of the issues. This process making the constitution thus the process of debates, discussions, ironing out to differences, working framework and acceptable all the conflicting opinions that how to see and happen in India we can see, but in India it is greater work, but in Nepal it is not withstanding. We can see there how it is happening in India. Most part we can understanding the making of an Indian constitution was prepared to adopt the constitution assembly. This was accumulated the large struggle of Indian people for the freedom from the British colonial rules. However, as the British government decided to give the freedom to the people of India, the new constitution was needed to give the people of India can rule themselves along the long-term objective of themselves. However, for the purpose of the Constitution Assembly formed in 1946 followed the election of provisional assemblies. These are people are we can understanding the number of people provisional assemblies are assembled. They are the most part cabinet mission appointed in 1946 allowed the seats of the each provision and princely seats of these according to the provinces area under the direct British rule elected 292 members. All princely states are gathered 93 members. 4 members are elected from the Delhi, Ajmer, Mewar, Kurgu and British Balochistan. The total number of the Indian Constitutional Assembly was 389 members. The plan also guaranteed that the seats in each provision had members from the main communities such as Muslim, Sikh and general. In proportion of other respective populations, the Constitution entered to the 26 members from the scheduled caste represent the assembly seat. While electing our provisional legislative houses representative of the princely states which one identified through the constitution, only 9 men, 9 women only the members in the constitution assembly. So the Indian National Congress was the single largest party, 69% of the seats allotted for the by the Muslim leagues which one had most seats reserved for the Muslims. In this beginning it had been a member of all the party of British India after the August 14, 1947. The country was a participant between India and Pakistan. 86 members are transferred to Pakistan Constitution Preparation and the Indian Constitution members are 299 members are there. Now we can observe the CA means Constitutional Assembly is not elected throughout the universal adult franchises. You know what the meaning of the adult franchises means? Freely elected, and you can say CA means Constitutional Assembly, which one is not elected through the universal adult franchises, but indirectly they did not represent a section of the all Indian societies. We can understand this one because all the people are not elected by the peoples. Only 10% of the populace could be vote to provisional elections in them, because the British in India, who has the right to vote, who have paid taxpayers, educated people, noble peoples only. Almost 12% is only voting have there. Remaining almost 88% people are not voted to elect the people. That's why this is not a adult universal franchises. In fact, the member of the princely states were not elected, all were decided through the constitutional concern the princely states. Such a decision was taken keep away the special situations. So the princely states did not agree that become the part of Indian Union. Most of them are the remaining independent kingdoms. That's why their representatives were asked to join the assembly. In the beginning of the Muslim League member did not attend the meeting. Truly they are joined later. Okay. Tomorrow remaining part I will explain for you what happened, how we are conducted these election systems. Okay. Thank you.